Bally's on the Vegas Strip. We are in a Jubilee King Suite, I believe it is. The room we got is 5611, so 56th floor, and let's check it out. I will lock this. Safety first. Okay, so big mirror and, you know, table for keys and stuff, I guess. I don't know. Apparently there's a huge room next door. So you walk in the entertainment center. It's a little worn looking, but oh, we have a fridge. Okay, fridge in the room for personal things. Doesn't look like there's a mini fridge, which is fine with me. 2 drawers under the TV, coffee maker. Someone's already made a cup of coffee. The TV was on when we walked in. Place for luggage, also kind of worn. A little desk to do some work. Another large mirror. The fixtures are cool. The room looks somewhat updated in some spots. Maybe the finishes. The view of this room, hopefully, I don't know if this turns out, we're basically looking at the Eiffel Tower. It's kind of into the sun. It looks like we could see the Paris pool pretty well. The Aria, Planet Hollywood. If you try hard enough, you can see the fountains, but not too worried about the view of this room. That's not why I got this room. So there's a couch area here. You can kind of rearrange this however you want. A king-size bed with 2 side tables. It looks like there's an iPod dock too. 2 big drawers. Oh, there's a safe. Okay, in case you need that. And the best part of this room, in my opinion, this tub right in the middle can easily fit 2 people. We haven't tried it yet. Yas! We're gonna put that to so much good use.
So much.
So there's closets on either side of the tub too. So his and hers closets basically.
And his and her sinks.
His and her sinks, so whatever.
Or his and her
There's
sinks.
extra pillows in there. That's nice. That's a pretty big closet. And the same on this side, it looks like. No pillows in this one though. The ironing board. That's mine, called it.
My pillow is called it.
So yeah, 2 sinks. So you can both get ready opposite each other. Hey. Looks like this is like a makeup area here. So this is like the makeup side. Did you clean this one? Oh, okay. And then this side has the bathroom. So
Yeah.
this sink. These lights come on? Or is this for the shower? Oh, okay. And then you've got this huge walk-in shower that you can get to from either side. With a seat. Very nice. And then the separate bathroom area, just with
With a phone.
the turlet and the phone, in case you get stuck in there. Need emergency services. So yeah, again, the tub, the best part.
You could
It's
fit
jetted.
4 people.
You could fit 4.
And a
It's jetted.
pillow.
A nice pillow to relax on.
Don't understand.
They need they should have had a TV right there, or why not put the pillow down here? That's what I would have done, because then you can
Yeah.
take in the view, if you have one maybe. So that's it. That's the Jubilee Executive Suite. That's what it's called.
Strip view.
Jubilee Executive Suite Strip View.